everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the June 2022 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I am super intrigued about this month's box. It weighs more than normal. It also is shaking around quite a bit. If anyone's new and isn't aware of what the Allure beauty box is, it is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ beauty items. 3 of the 6 are guaranteed to be full size. On rare occasions, I have received more, but that's not the norm. It typically is more skincare than makeup, although every now and again they surprise you. Allure is a beauty magazine. They also do those awards with the stickers. I'm sure you've seen them in other magazines, other beauty brand websites. When they get the award, they brag about it and will put it on screen. I'm sure you're aware. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and figure out why this box is so heavy. You do get a booklet which will have the items listed in size and will list the full size MSRP value. So if you get something that is deluxe sample or travel size, I will figure that out and put something on screen for the value what's in my box. All right, first item has a little weight to it. What is it? This is from a brand called Belif, and it's the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer. Oh, size I thought was going to be like a serum. It's the Hydrating Body Moisturizer, 30 ml. Interesting, the only sample sizes I've ever received from this brand are always those little eye creams or little tiny guys. I'm super curious. Let me look, because it's a body cream, so I'm assuming that's sample size, but won't that be funny if that's the full size? Oh no, I was correct. This is a sample size. It's a decent amount, 30 ml. Full size is 10.13 fluid ounces and retails for $30. All right, good start. Next item, interesting brand in this box. I have never seen a beauty subscription with Sephora's in-house brand. Interesting. So this here is Smooth Plus Blur Primer from Sephora. Wow. Leave me a comment. Were you as surprised as I was? Okay, she's tiny, but I would guess you could maybe get 4 or 5 uses. I don't know, depends on how much primer you use. This here is only a 5 ml sample. Full size retails for $16 and you get 1 fluid ounce. All right, next item. Oh, this is what's super heavy. What is this? This is from a brand called Beautaniq Beauty, and this is the Raindrench Serum. You get 30 ml. And what kind of a serum are you? All right, ooh, the good kind. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin B5, and zinc. Ooh, that sounds fantastic. What it does: a soothing and hydrating serum to keep skin soft, smooth, and healthy looking. Well, don't we want that on any skincare item? Let's see what the packaging looks like. Oh, she's glass, bougie, super cute. I'm loving this kind of teal seafoam green. Yes, beautiful. All right, what does she retail for? Because I'm assuming it's one of the full-size items. Wow, I was expecting it to be like, I don't know, super bougie, but I'm happy it's not, because if I love and enjoy it, it's a reasonable price to pick up on my own. It retails for $24. So that is super exciting. All right, next item. We have another skincare squeezy tube item. This is from Symbiosis London, and it's a hyaluronic acid and shea butter ultra rich regenerating night treatment. Ooh, okay. I'm like, I love skincare, but you know, let's mix it up a little bit. A night cream to me is mixing it up. All right, let's see if this is full size or not. Oh, 50 ml. I am pretty certain that will be full size. Not only is this full size, Here we go. Here is the bougie product that's gonna make the MSRP value of this box skyrocket. All right, are you ready? Be seated. This retails for $127. Yep. I can't even believe that. What? It's not even 111 skin. Holy cow. That is insane. Who pays that? Who pays that? Oh my goodness. All right, well, that's why I love and enjoy beauty subscription boxes, because that's the only way I would ever be able to try a bougie $127 50 ml night cream. Wow. All right. Next item. What do we have here? All right, so this here is a lip scrub in the shape of a lipstick, which makes it super easy to apply. This is from Manna Kadar, and this is the Lippie Love Lip Scrub. It retails for $19. All right, last item is bubble wrapped, which thinking is some sort of makeup. All right, so this is from Ciate, London, and it's the Everyday Vacay. What? They have a theme. I have setting sprays, I think a highlighter. I don't know. They have a lot of things called Everyday Vacay. Ooh, it's the world's smallest pan eyeshadow palette. OMG. Allure, did you send makeup? OMG. This smells divine. It smells like coconut lotion. Oh my goodness, it smells really good. So not only does this have 8 eyeshadows, this here is a highlighter, contour, bronzer, and blush, which you could also use as eyeshadows. It would be great size if I was ever going on a vacation, because you can put together a full eye look, full face of makeup. All right, this retails for, shut up, $30? I don't know about that. But hey, Allure sent makeup, so that's a good thing. All right, let's recap everything that came in the June 2022 box. We got a lip scrub from Manna Kadar, a sample primer from the Sephora brand, a sample body moisturizer from Belif, a hydrating and soothing serum from Beautaniq Beauty, an eye and face palette from Ciate, London, and a bougie $127 hyaluronic acid night cream from Symbiosis, London. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I definitely got my $23 worth. It is very, very skincare heavy. Doesn't bother me, although I was glad to get some makeup. I wish, of the 6 items, I wish at least at a minimum 2 would be makeup, if not half, but one is better than none. However, Allure, a little extra makeup wouldn't hurt. I find it fascinating. We got something from Sephora. Oh, well, technically, this is a primer. Okay, we did get 2. Primers, technically is makeup, but you know what I mean. Something with a pigment. I am excited to give this serum a try. Particularly, I like the $24 price point. That way, if it's good, it's within my realm of repurchasing. Don't even want to try this, because what if I fall in love? There's no way I'm going to spend $127 to repurchase that bad boy. I'm not a big lip scrubber. I'm blessed or delusional. I don't know. I don't feel my lips need a lip scrub, but this will probably be in a giveaway. And I will love to give this a try. I am appreciative of the size of this sample, because normally Belif stuff is like little 5 ml. So 30 ml, not too shabby. I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP value. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you feel this was a good box for $23? Has your opinion changed with Allure, or are you still, I'll watch to support you, Julie, but pass, not interested? I'm still on the fence whether I'm going to keep this box. I do feel the value is really good for $23. And now with all of the other boxes going up in price, I mean, if you think about it, BoxyCharm and Ipsy claim their $28 boxes, but they have a mandatory $1.99 handling fee, and that's before tax. So all boxes at the base, or the base boxes, are at $30 plus tax. This box is $23, and you're getting the value. If that's important to you, I can guarantee will be more than the Ipsy or BoxyCharm box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a big favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.